I'm going with a bunch of Lasfit LEDs for wifey's car. This is a little bit before, after. Jeez, what a difference. So those are brand new LEDs right there. Blinkers on already on this side. That's the old one. Oh, it's hard to see. Let's see. Yeah, I can tell that one's really bright. So, yeah, this one is new. Got the license plates on now. I need brake lights, reverse lights, and then blinkers. And after that, oh, and then the front blinkers still. Couldn't get to it today. That's after, before. Big difference. This is a halogen bulb, LED bulb. New lug nuts going on, taking off the old crap that Ford put on. Ford does some dumbass shit. So my son is gonna help me put these new ones on. It's because these old, this is the old one? I don't know, I'm not sure? Okay. So the new ones are single, just a single steel piece. And then the Ford shit, they decided to put some dumbass chrome crap. And then after the chrome crap strips off and falls off, this is what they look like, some ugly ass lug nuts. And then this is what they look like with that stupid cover shit that they decided to do when they start slipping off. So that one right here on the left side, on the mirror, this is stock halogen. So the new LED is on the left and the halogen is on the right. Big ass difference. Let me go in reverse. Reverse lights look good, nice and bright. Light up the back pretty good. Yes. Done. Corner lights, fog lights. Oh, turn on mom's fog lights. DRLs, turn signals. Damien, turn on mom's fog lights. Fog lights. Ooh, still super nice and bright. Put mom's emergency lights on. Blinkers are all good to go. So that's the front. That's the rear. Brake lights. Didn't even press the brakes. Okay. Brake lights. License plate lights.